Good morning to all of you. Thank you. And this is the last part of the quadratic equation because I had given maximum part of quadratic equation, and if you have any confusion, any problem, then please you can take example, you can take help with the help of example. Clear? Then in question number 1, if x is a real, clear? Prove that the value of the expression x minus 1, x plus 3, x minus 2, x plus 4 cannot be lie between 4 by 9 and 1. Clear? Then first of all here, let x minus 1, x plus 3, clear, upon what? X minus 2, x plus 4 is equal to y. Understood? Now by cross multiplication, by calculation, we can change into quadratic equation of this question. Clear? Now cross multiplication means what? X minus 1, x plus 3 is equal to y here, x minus 2 and x plus 4. Now here x square plus 3x minus x minus 3 is equal to x square plus 4x, here minus 2x minus 8. Now x square plus 2x minus 3 is equal to x square y. 4x minus 2x means 2. 2xy minus 8y. Now transfer all the value this side here. Means what? X square 1 minus y. And here what? And 2x 1 minus y also here. 2x common, 1 minus y. Then plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 1 minus y x square and 1 minus y x plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? It means when we will solve, after solving we will get quadratic equation, that is x square 1 minus y plus 2 1 minus y plus 8y minus 3 is equal to 0. Clear? Now for x to be real, then discriminant means b square minus 4ac what is equal to 0. Clear? Understood? How we can find the real value? For real value, x to be real value, discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Clear? Then we have to put all the value of ab, say, in this equation. Now I am going to put here b square means what? First of all, comparing a is equal to 1 minus y, b is equal to 2 1 minus y, and c is equal to what? 8y minus 3. Any problem? Good. Now b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, here is equal to 0. b means 2 1 minus y whole square minus 4, a means what? 1 minus y, c means 8y minus 3 and greater than 0. Clear? Now 2 square means what? 4 1 minus y square minus 4 1 minus y and 8y minus 3 greater than 0. Clear? Any problem? Now we can solve here. Once more here, b square minus 4ac more than equal to 0 and 2 1 minus y whole square minus 4 1 minus y into 8y minus 3 is greater than equal to 0. After that 4 1 minus y whole square and minus 4 1 minus y into 8y minus 3. When we will solve, we can get what we can get? 9y square minus 13y plus 4. 9y square minus 30y plus 4 greater than or equal to 0. Clear? When we will solve, after solving means when we can open the bracket, after opening bracket we can get 9y square minus 13y plus 4 is more than or equal to 0. After that we can factorize here 9y square minus 13y plus 4 is more than or equal to 0. Clear? You can see here 9y square minus 9y minus 4y and here plus 4 is greater or equal to 0. Clear? 9y common, y minus 1 and 4 common, y minus 1. After that y minus 1 and 9y minus 4 greater than 0. Then y minus 1 means what? Y is equal to 1 here. And here 9y minus 4 means what? Y is more than or equal to what? This number transfer this side 4 by 9. Clear? Now we can check here. Cannot be between 4 by 9 and 1. Means first of all find the value of y, and here given cannot be between 4 by 9 and 1. So 9y minus 4 is more than or equal to 0, and here also it means what? Y is less equal to or greater than or equal to 1. Clear? So function, given function expression here cannot be lies between 4 by 9 and 1. Understood? Why? We can see here and here. Now how we can draw the diagram here? Diagram is very simple here. Here and here minus infinity here. Suppose here 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. Now where is 1 here? 4 by 9 means less than 0. Clear? Suppose here. Now what? What means? Suppose here 1, here 2, here 1 here, and suppose here. Here this like this. Now how we can put the symbol here? Very simple symbol. You can put the value of here and 4 by 9. The value between 4 by 9 and 1. 4 by 9 means suppose 0.5. 0.5 means negative value here. We can check here 0.5. Clear? And minus side, and 0.5 means what? 4.5 plus is equal to minus. Means what? Minus sign. Here when we can put more than 1, suppose to here 2 minus 1 plus sign, and here plus into plus minus plus. Here now on the number lines, sign is very important. This number line comes start minus infinity to plus infinity, and there are two values. One is plus 4 by 9, second is plus 2. Then first of all we can take value is more than 1, more than. Clear? Any value we can take, and we will put in final result, that is y minus 1, 9y minus 4 is more than equal to 0. You can see here, when we will put the value of y is more than 1, we can get positive sign, plus into plus, that is plus sign, then plus sign. When we will take the value of y between 4 by 9 and 1, that is 0.5, minus sign will come. And when we will take less than 4 by 9, that is suppose 0 here, or minus any value, then what? Minus into minus means plus sign will come. And help box also important, but it is not compulsory. Here you can explain about the help box, but I am going to tell here how we can make a help box here. Help box, clear? Here sign, understood? Y minus 1, clear? Here 9y minus 4, and here y minus 1 into 9y minus 4. Understood? Now here what? If y, we can take here 4 by 9, y is less than 4 by 9. Here y belong 4 by 9 and 1. And second is y is more than 1, means y is more than 1. Very simple here. We can take here, put the value is y is less than 4 by 9. Y is less than 4 by 9 here. Y is less than 4 by 9 means what? Negative value will come. Y is less than 4 by 9 here means what? Also here 4 by 9. Very simple here, less than. 4 by 9 less than means suppose 0 here, minus sign also here. Minus into minus what? Here, plus sign. Between value, between means 0.5. 0.5 means what? Minus sign. Here. And here, plus value, minus plus, minus. Y is more than 1. Suppose 2 minus 1, plus value, and plus value, plus into plus, plus sign. This is help box, this is diagram. This diagram we can draw with the help of help box. This is help box, also you can learn here. How many brackets are there? You write here separately individual. Y minus 1, 9y minus 4, y minus 1 into 9y minus 4. After that, we can take the value of y is less than 4 by 9. We will put here, minus sign value will come. Here minus sign will come, minus into minus plus will come. We will take the values between 4 by 9 and 1. Minus here, minus plus, minus. And when we will take here, the value of y is more than 1, clear? Then positive value will come, this is positive also, plus into plus, plus will come. So now this is very most important questions. Please, I request you will complete and you can learn, and with the help of example also you can do, because so many examples are there in your book. Please try to do example also. It is not compulsory how many questions I am giving, I am solving here. You do only this much question. You can help from example, take help from example, clear? Now say question number 2. In this question, if x is real, then find the minimum value of x square minus x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1. Clear? Now solution here. Let x square minus x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 is equal to y. Clear? Same first question I told. With the help of first question you can do this question. Now cross multiplication means what? X square minus x plus 1 y into x square plus x plus 1. Now x square minus x plus 1 is equal to yx square yx plus y. Now here x square 1 minus y and here what? Minus y minus x minus yx. Clear? Minus x minus yx plus 1 minus y is equal to 0. Now here x square 1 minus y, and here plus y is common, either plus x common, minus y minus 1, and here 1 minus y is equal to 0. Clear? Now 1 minus y x square minus 1 minus y x plus 1 minus y is equal to 0. Now comparing x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to what? 1 minus y. Clear? B is equal to what? Minus 1 minus y, and c is equal to what? 1 minus y. Understood? Once more I am going to explain here. In this question, find the value of x. X is real. Let y is equal to x square minus x plus 1 upon x square plus x plus 1 after cross multiplication. Then we will get what? We will get y minus 1 x square plus y, clear, plus 1, and here plus y minus 1. Clear? After that we will solve here. How we can solve? If your minus sign, you can take plus sign. Depend on you here. Depend on you means what? Either you can write here like this one here, y minus 1 x square, minus common here, plus what? 1 plus yx, and here y minus 1 is equal to 0. Clear? Either multiply minus sign, either we can take this one. Now here y minus 1, and here 1 plus y, here what? Y minus 1. Depend on you. Clear? If you confusion from minus, you can change here minus sign by multiplying negative sign both the side here. Now for real value, b square minus 4ac greater than 0 equal to here, b is equal to what? 1 plus y whole square minus 4 into a means what? Y minus 1, say into what? Y minus 1 and 0. Clear? Now a square b square plus 2ab minus 4, here what? Y minus 1 whole square 0, 1 plus y square 2y minus 4, a square plus b square minus 2ab, and here 1 plus y square and 2y minus 4y square minus 4 plus 2 into 4 8y minus 4y square plus means minus 3y square plus 8y and 10y minus 4 plus 1 minus 3 0. Clear? Any problem? Good. After that minus 3y square, here what? Minus 9y, clear? Plus minus y minus 3 means we have to solve here. We have to solve. Clear? Now here minus sign you can change also, depend on you. 3y square minus 10y plus 3 is less or equal to 0. This is a rule here. Now 3y square minus 9y and minus y plus 3 is less than 0. 3y common, y minus 3 minus 1 common, y minus 3, y minus 3 and y is less than 3. Clear? And here y is less 1 by 3. Then how we can draw the graph here? Number line. plus infinity, minus infinity, here 3 1 by 3 and 0 1 2 3 here, 4 here, minus 1 here. 3, where is 3 here? 1 by 3 means what? Suppose here 1 by 3 and here. Now we can take here more than 3. We can put here more than 3 means 4 and plus sign, and plus means plus here, plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. Clear? And with the help of this diagram we can change, we can make help box also here, but it is not compulsory here because already I have told you. Then please you will complete. After completing you have to do example here. I am going to give example. Clear? Now see the homework question. Homework questions very important. Question number is find the least value of 6x square minus 22x plus 21 upon 5x square minus 18x plus 17 for real value of x. If x be real value, prove that value of 11x square plus 12x plus 6 upon x square plus 4x plus 2 cannot lie between minus 5 and 3. Clear? So once more I request you, please you will complete your homework question and all the chapters. How many chapters already have to finish? Please you will complete because all chapters are very important for you. And today it is finished. This chapter is finished also here. Then please, how many chapters, how many questions, how many video I have given, please you will complete all the video because all the chapters are equally important. And thank you very much.